This guide shows you how you can create your own QR code completely free of charge with no software download required. You can do this on a PC, Mac, phone or tablet. All you need to do is follow the instructions in this guide. Now, a QR code can be used for several different things. You can create it to point it to a URL like a website, which perhaps if you owned a restaurant or a cafe, it would show them your menu. You can also get it to display a message. You can get it to link in with an email address, a phone number, a text message, a location, even link to your Facebook or Twitter page. There are loads of reasons that you could create a QR code for. So here's how you do it. So first of all, open your browser on your PC, Mac, phone or tablet. I'm going to show you this on a PC, so I'm going to open my browser, which is Microsoft Edge. Once your browser is opened, go to the search bar at the top of the screen, not the search box in the middle of the screen, the search bar right at the top of the screen. Click or tap in there and delete out anything that might be in it, and then just type fastqrcode.com. That's fastqrcode.com, all in lowercase and no spaces. Then press enter or return on your keyboard or tap go. So here we go, you'll get this website come up. So it says create your QR code in 3 easy steps. So first of all, you can choose the type of content that you want to share with the code. So a URL is a website. You can put in a message. You can link it to an email address. So if anyone scans that code, it then opens up their email app and puts in your email address. You can also put your telephone number in it. You can link it to a Bitcoin wallet, so if you wanted to take payments by Bitcoin, or you could link it to a V-card, which basically means it would then save your details in their mobile phone's contacts list. You can get it to send a text message with it. You can get it to add a reminder in their calendar. If they need your Wi-Fi details to log on to your Wi-Fi, you can get it to send them Wi-Fi details. Or if you want to publish the location of something, you can put that in there as well. You can also link it with your Facebook profile or your Twitter profile. So in this example, I'm going to just link it to a simple URL. So that's a website. So I'm just going to click URL then. And depending on what you click up here, depends on what boxes of information you get to fill out in step 2. So say for instance I click on text messages, there you go, you can enter your text there. If it's an email, there you go, you can enter in your email address, a subject and a message there. If it's a phone number, you can put your phone number in there. If it's a Bitcoin wallet or a Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash wallet, you can put in the amount, the Bitcoin address and a message in there. If it's a V-card, then you can put in your details in there. If it's a text message, you can put in the phone number that you want the text message sent to and the message. And if it's an event, there you go, you can put the summary, the location and date and time. If it's Wi-Fi, you can put in your router's SSID or network name and your router's Wi-Fi password and the type of encryption you use and whether it's hidden or not. If it's a location, you can pop in the address there. If it's your Facebook or Twitter profiles, then again you can put in your Facebook URL or your Twitter username just in there. So as I say, in this example, I'm going to just do a simple plain website. So I'm going to put URL in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my YouTube channel link in there. So if anyone scans the QR code, it will take them directly to my YouTube page. So here we go. I'm going to start by typing https://youtube.com/c/Chris R Waite 74. So there you go, that's my address for my YouTube channel. Okay, and as I go down further, there you go, we can change the colour of the code. So there you go, that's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, a lighter blue, a darker blue, purple, you got the idea. So let's just change it back to black at the moment. And then further down, I can change the layout style. So I can just have it plain like that. I can have scan me or go to the website below it. Or I can have scan me below it. Or I can have scan me above it. Or if I go to the next one, I can have scan me below it. Or I can just have it simply in a sort of a cutout with scan me all around it. So once I've decided on what my QR code is going to look like, all I do is I can then click on download it as an image there and include it in any material, or if I want to publish it then and send it off to a graphic designer, I can download it as a vector, which basically means that it's in a good high quality and you're able to resize it in a professional publishing program. For most people though, you'll just be downloading it as an image, and then you can just like I say, put it in a publication or print it out and stick it on a wall or on your tables or whatever you want to do with it. So there you go, that guide showed you how you can make your own QR code absolutely free of charge with no software required on your PC, Mac, phone or tablet. Hope this guide helps, and thanks very much for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.